Hello guys, today we are going to be trolling as a Roomba. So the mods are Fly, X-Ray, Ultimate Speed, and that's it. The reason why Fly, if I hold down my push trigger and then the front trigger, I can go fast, and I pull this trigger down with this trigger, I can fly. And the reason why is it looks like I'm floating, because you know how Roombas slide against the ground with their wheels? That's what I'm doing. So, and another reason why is because, guys, I'm super good at wall climbing. If I hold down this front trigger again, okay, and then if it's a closed wall, I can go under the thing. So let's just say it's this. I can go under too. Okay, so let's go. So first of all, we gotta go to cities. This is my own idea. I'm basically the official Roomba of Brick Tag. Basically. Till I post this. Then I will be. Okay, so the mods.
He's got rockets! He's got emeralds!
Okay.
I'll spend 1,000 brick bolts on that!
I'm just gonna wait until somebody sees.
I just gotta wait 18 minutes.
Just cleaning the floor.
Oh, I forgot there's mods.
You can double your with this thing.
Well, that blinds me. Cleaning, I can clean the walls and the roof at the same time. Basically what I'm doing. I don't do that.
I have a question for you.
Huh?
Can you do something for me?
Okay.
Follow me, follow me. Okay. So if I put it here. Okay. Go like this and then pretend like you're about to fall off the edge.
I'm good.
Okay, let me reposition it. I'm gonna turn this into something funny.
Loaded?
Okay, I'm gonna go back down to
Okay.
cleaning.
Here.
Still have the mountains update. Oh, no. This is the press information.
Okay, let's go back to cleaning.
But you, purple.
Meow.
Purple, what do you think?
Purple.
What do you think?
I trademarked this. I called dibs on this
What the
thing. The Roomba thing.
Yo, respect your own. Respect your own. I have
Don't want that.
the OG badge. Respect your elders.
But I don't give platforms.
You wanna play games like that? I may be broke in this game, but I
Da-da-da-da. I basically go around all the maps that are on right now, and I clean. Basically, like the janitor of Gorilla Tag. I think it was Tyler. Tyler VR. It might have been him. That was. Okay, let's go. Okay, so let's go to Canyon. Wait, you know that car thing where you can it's like guys, here's how you drive a car. Meow.
I'm gonna kill the pig if you shoot this thing one more time.
But except I'm a Roomba. So can you pull out my mods again? Because if you guys don't know, if you don't have mods, it'll switch. So the reason why I'm the only one is because it's modded. Okay, so we can just go to caves, I guess. You can just clean in caves. Okay, let's clean in caves.
Okay.
Okay,
Go
dokie.
back in.
No. I said on the wall.
Right here.
Oh, yeah, right.
Right here. Dude, jump right there.
Okay, are you teleports right there?
Yes. Hey, do you have the emerald? Go the other way. Go back there. Go back there.
He's my friend.
Let me see it.
No idea where he is.
Okay, guys. You're...
I don't know.
Guys, don't look up. Just don't. Purple, don't look up. Just don't.
Wait, do you want to 1v1 me?
Alright. Alright, so let's just clean. Boom, boom. We're gonna clean the downstairs with them.
No. My other friend.
No, Freezy.
You know, I don't have Monster X-ray because I bought the gold.
Yahoo! You want to choke me?
I'll go the other way. Let's go. Lucio. As I'm Lucio, super slow. Yeah, I'll just regular Lucio. Maybe flying. Heck no. Oh. I gotta clean down here.
I'm never gonna find my friends.
Go.
Hey, Dark Blue, do you know where Hot Dog is?
Run. Hey guys, you wanna know how to drive a car? Here's how you drive a car. First step. Meow.
Where's
Or Roomba. I'm basically Roomba. I'm not making another channel for Roomba VR. So stay tuned for that. It's Roomba Gaming, but yeah, it's not VR, so gotta be right. Also, there's like they sell Roombas. Oh shit. They're less than showing copyright. English copyright Roombas.
watch this? You can.
Oh my! Yeah. You are so stupid. Heck nah.
Come on, you old piece of shit.
I would have knew bodies on. I would have knew. Go, man. No! Monster! Give me a hug. With my hands. Hi. So I am basically now the official Roomba in this game. In BT. Brick tag. So, Blowskis or some girls watching this, the weird ones, no offense, but mostly boys.
Here's the mountains, here I come.
We have one last map to go in. Well, did I already go over here, but I decided not to go? Alright, well, I'll join us soon. Nope. This is a lot easier to clean, except it's actually quite harder. Forgot I need to turn on my mods.
Incoming call.
I also cannot sadly walk my map because it's too slippery. So my only way is to just try to fly up there.
What? The fan's
So
broken,
first,
bro.
I put on a fire. Hold on. Couldn't I just swing your arm around just like whiplash? I can control the ice too.
Guys,
Yo guys, I'm gonna get out of the map, guys. You wanna know how? Watch me. I'm gonna slide so hard. I have a better idea. watching. Whee! Okay. Okay, so that is probably it. Hang on. Damn it. Wait, hold on. We need to... Go, Roomba. Faster. Go. Grab this. Grab this. So, if you guys haven't seen, I got the mod man. I think I said that. Did I say that? No. Okay. Bye.